Have you ever had potential customers search for your restaurant online only to find nothing and choose another place instead? Well, today I'll show you how to create a professional restaurant website to attract more customers with a stunning online presence. Let's get started and turn those searches into satisfied dinners. Having a website for your restaurant will work wonders for marketing. Plus, a website can serve as your digital menu and your reservation desk all rolled into one. This video will be a 6-course meal with steps all the way from initial planning stage to the premiere itself. So before we start creating your website, let's map out your goals for it. Answer these questions. What will be its main purpose? Is it to boost brand visibility or to just manage online orders? This will help you set a focused direction for design and development. Next, let's talk about your target audience. Who are you trying to attract? Different people like different things when it comes to websites, so make sure you tailor your site accordingly. For example, if you're family focused and have a child menu, feature it on the website. With a solid plan in place, you'll be ahead of the competition in no time. Now, let's jump to creating your website. First step, getting a hosting plan. For this tutorial, we will be using Hostinger Website Builder, which has everything you need. It's beginner friendly, requires no programming language, and comes packed with useful AI tools. So first we'll need the website builder plan that includes all of the necessities, web hosting, and the website builder itself. Just click the link in the description below to be taken to the landing page. Here you'll see two different plans. Let's choose the business website builder plan, which includes an e-commerce functionality and AI tools to make our process way easier. Now, for the subscription period, I recommend going 48 months to get the best deal, which includes free domain name for the first year and bonus 3 months of free hosting. Now, you can set up a hosting account over here with your email or connect with Google and choose your payment method. Don't forget, you can apply the WB10 coupon code for an additional 10% discount on your whole purchase. Check if all the information is correct and click Submit Secure Payment to finalize the purchase. Once your payment goes through, you'll be taken right to the website builder. Here, we are asked if we want to use AI or pre-designed templates for our site. There are more than 100 of these templates to choose from, but to make things even easier for this tutorial, we will choose the AI builder option, so let's click this button to start. Now, just enter your restaurant's name over here, and for the website type, select Restaurant Website and describe the overall concept. Make sure to write a detailed description of what you want your website to include and how it should look like. Check out the example below the box to get an idea of how it can look like. We can open up the personalization settings to choose your style and colors too. After you're done with everything, click Create a Website and the AI will generate one in just a few seconds. Once everything is done, check it out to see how you like it. We always can go back to the AI form and generate a new design or start customizing this one by clicking this Edit Site button. Once you're in the site editor area, you can customize all of the elements of the website. You'll also notice an interactive checklist on your left, which will remind you of all the important steps. We can already see how the AI generated the essential pages for a restaurant, like home, menu, about, and contact. If you want to create another page, let's say a reviews page, you can use our AI page generator. Simple as that. Then, once we have all the pages we need, we can start customizing the site elements. To change the placement of any text, image, or button, simply drag and drop the item to the desired area. If you want to change the background, click Edit Section to edit or remove the image. For the headline itself, double-click on the item and replace it with the text you want. And remember, if you ever feel stuck, just ask the AI writer to simply create the headlines or copy for you. Simply click the text that you want to change, click AI Writer, and describe your text. Now, wait for it to generate and the result will apply automatically. Okay, now let's add a section. For example, let's add a map to your website so your site visitors can find your restaurant's location. To do this, click Add Section, select Map, and pick a map layout that you like. We can even add more elements here from the Add Elements menu. To remove any item, simply click on it and hit the trash can icon. To customize your global colors and fonts or add an animation effect, navigate to website styles and adjust everything to reflect your brand. Next, let's take care of the contact page. The AI has already provided us with a contact form over here. From this form, your site visitors can book tables, catering services, or even the entire venue for an event. Simply click and select Edit Form, then modify everything as you see fit. If you ever need any help with site building itself, just ask for our AI assistant. To use it, click the Ask AI button in the bottom right corner, type in your question, and it will guide you through whatever you want it to do. If you offer takeout services or custom orders online, you can benefit from the Builder's e-commerce functionality. Go to the drop-down menu at the top left corner and select Store Manager. Then follow the instructions to set up your online store. By doing this, you unlock access to e-commerce features such as accepting online payments and invoicing. Make sure to check out our other video tutorial for a more in-depth guide on how to set up your online store. I'll leave a link in the description of this video. Now let's add some pictures to your site. The food and venue images of a restaurant's website can make or break its success. They set the tone and give customers a taste of what to expect. So make sure your visuals are mouth-watering. High quality, well-lit photos of your delicious dishes and inviting ambience are a must. Don't let blurry or poorly lit images scare away any potential dinners. Let me show you how to manually set up a gallery page by going to the Pages and Navigation on the left toolbar of the builder and clicking Add Page and then selecting New Empty Page. Name your page as Gallery and click Save. Now, hover your mouse over the Add Section button, click it and select the gallery template that you like best from the list. Click on the gallery and then select Manage Gallery. Here, you can rearrange, delete, and upload your own images by clicking the Add Images button. Double-click on the gallery to open the gallery settings where you can adjust its layout and add animations to any element. If you don't have the image you need, just use our AI image generator. Simply prepare an image description, choose an image style, and click Create Images to generate it. Simple as that. Now, let's talk about the SEO side of things. Culinary business is super competitive, so let's see how we can push your site to the top of the search results for even more customers. Hosting Your Website Builder provides SEO features which you can access from the website settings. This tool lets you set a focus keyword, create SEO titles, and write your meta descriptions. What you need to do is follow every instruction and make sure you turn those yellow marks green. And to make it even easier, you can use the AI SEO Assistant for personalized suggestions. If you haven't done so already, another way to boost your local SEO is to create a Google Business account. This lets people find your restaurant, check out the reviews, and set your working hours all from Google. Plus, you can register your restaurant for other review sites like Yelp and TripAdvisor for even more exposure, as those are popular with tourists. And with all of that taken care of, it's finally time for the launch. Before publishing the site, check the content, appearance, and overall navigation experience by clicking Preview. Remember to preview both the desktop and mobile versions by toggling through mobile and desktop views using these buttons over here. Keep in mind that the changes you make in mobile view do not affect the desktop version of the site. Now, all you have to do is claim your domain name if you haven't yet. Hover over this part and click Connect Domain. Then you'll be redirected to HPanel to claim the free domain name or prove ownership of an already existing domain. Once that's done, go back to the website builder and click Go Live. And that's it! Your site is now online and ready to serve. But there's one more cool trick that I want to share with you. You can generate a custom printable QR code so your visitors can access your menu easily. It's an efficient way to increase customer satisfaction and accessibility. To do that, go to Pages and Navigation, click on this button next to the menu page, and select Generate QR Code. Here, you can customize how the QR code looks and choose a format to download. Now you have a digital menu prepared just like that. Be sure to explore other useful features of the builder to further enhance your website experience. And that's all there is to it. Your restaurant website is now complete and will attract more customers, streamline your operations, and enhance your online presence. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below the video and I will be glad to answer them. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos on web development, and as always, thank you for watching and good luck on your online journey.